Introducing clear-cut ingenuity. Clopay's new VertiStack Avante is an overhead aluminum and glass garage door with vertically stacking sections, engineered to provide a clear, open ceiling space. VertiStack provides a stylish and secure connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing for seamless transitions and expanding the residential footprint when it opens. Innovative in function, but also in form, the door's compact design keeps lines and angles to a minimum and cleverly hides key mechanisms. VertiStack has no visible hinges, cable, or exposed tracks for a crisp, clean look. The vertically stacked sections require minimal projection off the wall, so the door doesn't interfere with mechanical or electrical fixtures, leaving room for fans, lighting, overhead storage, or extended height ceilings. There are a variety of glass options to let as much or as little natural light inside, creating an indoor-outdoor connection through a large wall of windows. The aluminum frame can be customized in many colors, giving you free rein to match or enhance any aesthetic. VertiStack is an ideal choice for garages, workshops, and barns. Explore your looking glass to unique innovation. VertiStack Avante, the unique vertical stacking garage door.